Last Sunday, Kylie and Ryan played outside. On a bright day, they stayed near the bay where the boats sailed slowly across the calm water. Ryan enjoyed watching the noisy boys throwing toys and shouting loudly at the playground. Kylie found a stray puppy and gave it a warm smile. Later, they went to the cafe to have some cake and tea. The waiter showed them the way to their table. After eating, they shared stories about their holiday plans. They were excited to visit a nearby valley and explore the beautiful scenery. The air was clear and the weather was fair and sunny. It was a great day filled with joy and laughter.